What's up, YouTube? Hamilton showed up today. Of course, it's Tuesday. Why was he here on a Tuesday? But he didn't come in his normal ride. Oh yeah, let's go take a look.
This old man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Alright guys, we're in the truck. It's kind of tight too. I messed up. I got so excited I forgot to mash the button. I shouldn't have told y'all that. I never knowed it, but Hamilton, you probably told them next week.
I'd love to comment for you.
Alright, so what we got here, this big pretty red box.
Well, this is our 84-inch Epic. This particular box has several added features. One being keyless entry. You can lock and unlock the button with a key fob. Also has the Bluetooth speaker, soundbar, Bluetooth, AM, FM, USB, micro SD speaker system. Has the charging station for a laptop or a diagnostic tool. Put your diagnostic tool in here, plug it up, close it up, lock it up, keep it out of the dust and dirt. It's also equipped with the power drawer, which has your charging station for your battery chargers and the rack for your impacts. This particular locker system also has the identical drawer, so you can have your options whether you want your power drawer in your box or you can get it in a locker. If you get it in the locker, then you have additional drawer space that you can use for your box. If you get it in the box and not in the locker, then this locker comes with an extra 4-inch drawer below the shelf and an extra 4-inch drawer above the shelf. These power drawers are all UL listed. The power cord runs through a plastic chain that rolls up as you open and close the drawer, so that it doesn't kink or pinch. These Epic boxes have casters with a lock pin. You can unlock the pin on the casters, and all the casters on this box will swivel.
Oh,
So
that's really nice.
Even with as big as this box is and the locker, you can unlock all the pins, you push this box straight back against the wall.
That'd be
You don't have to parallel
nice about
park it.
sweeping and cleaning up under it.
Yeah.
Man, that locker is bigger than most people's toolbox. That thing's a house. That white cabin's beautiful too. How big is it?
This is a 1022. It's a 55-inch box. It's 29 inches deep, where the Epics are 30. It's a Master Series. Master Series was Snap-on's top of the line box for 25 or 30 years.
Right.
And basically what they did is Snap-on went to their customers that had these boxes and said, okay, what can we do to improve our tool storage? And they took the suggestions from the guys that had the Master Series box, and they designed the Epic box. Of course, this is the 60-inch Epic box. It is 30 inches deep. And main differences in the Master Series, as you can see, the flip latch versus the slide latch underneath. Another main concern was they said that these horizontal surfaces collect dust and dirt. So they did away with that flat surface, the horizontal
I have to
surface.
wipe mine off weekly.
They did away with that on the Epic boxes, so they're a cleaner box. So you got the flip latch, you got the cleaner box. Everything on this box is recessed. There are some corners that stick out on the Master Series.
Right.
There's no corners on the Epic Series. They tilted the drawers down about 2 degrees in the back on the Epic Series. So if this box is set level, this drawer is loaded, it's going to glide itself shut. The casters are also 1 inch taller and 1/2 inch wider than the Master Series. So they're easier to move around the shop. you run over an air hose, cracking the concrete, gravel, whatever, it doesn't stop you. Doesn't bring you to a grinding halt with the Epic Series like it does the Master Series.
Some pretty trim colors and stuff available.
Yeah, this is going to be our new display for our paint colors and the trims. You slide the trims off and on the different paint colors and see exactly. So you got like a miniature drawer front, basically. Yeah. That's what you're looking at.
It's real good. That right there is pretty. That green and that black together.
Green and the black. Yeah.
Y'all even got a pink one.
Yep. Snap-on offers pink. Two of our newer, well, here's this purple is, the Plum Crazy Purple is a new color for Snap-on. It's the Dodge Plum Crazy Purple. This is a new color. It's our military's tan, our combat tan, and combat green. So those are some nice new colors. This is our Storm Gray. It's one of our newer colors. It's been out for a while. And then this year, they've added the green trim as a standard trim.
That's pretty with that white.
Yeah.
I think it looked that good together, but it does look nice.
And the other new one is the burnt orange
I like that
trim
too.
as a standard trim.
Looks good with that flat
black.
Real nice. There's all the paint colors.
Yep.
They're trying to get me to buy a Mr. Big, guys. It's the gunmetal color with a chrome trim. It'd be dangerous if it was blue or red, like really bad dangerous.
We can custom order you one.
Hamilton, you gotta tell everybody about the text you got while ago about the time I walked on the truck.
Oh yeah, I got a text. Of course, I don't know if any of y'all, you seen Clay's wife on YouTube before. She done sent me a text, so you better turn that truck around. He does not need to get on there. Capitalized not.
So
we know who the boss is there.
That's why it's important to keep your Snap-on dealer secret from your wife. That way you'll be getting them texts. She knew y'all was coming before I did. Ain't that something? Because she called me. That's who I was on the phone with when you text. And she said, "Where you at?" I said, "I'm in the office." She said, I said, "Why?" She said, "That big Snap-on truck just came by here." Look how tall these epic roll carts are. Hamilton's a pretty good sized fella. You can see how tall he is. He's
This
golly, what a drawer.
not too bad for a roll cart, is it?
Holy smokes. How much do you weigh?
About 230 soaking wet.
You ain't gonna do that in a Harbor Freight box, are you?
No.
One drawer of one side, one slide per side. That's pretty impressive.
That's on the end.
Golly, Bill. Goodness gracious. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna get off here and talk to them about a box, and we'll be hollering at y'all later. But anyway, like always guys, if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up and subscribe down here below, and we'll catch y'all next time. Y'all have a great one. Thank you.